In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a reminder to follow up on a sent email message using Microsoft Outlook. This feature is particularly useful for ensuring that important emails don't slip through the cracks and you stay on top of your responsibilities. First, let's get started by logging into your Outlook account. If you're not already logged in, just head over to the Outlook website and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll have access to all your emails, tasks, and settings. Now, let's focus on finding the email you want to set a reminder for. You'll need to navigate to your Sent Items folder. This is where you can see all the emails you've dispatched, and it's the perfect spot to pick out any messages you might need to follow up on. Once you've located the email you'd like to set a reminder for, simply right-click on it. This will bring up a context menu with various options. Here, you'll want to select Advanced Actions. When you hover over this, another menu will pop out. Look for and click on Create Task. This step is crucial as it effectively transforms your email into a task that can be managed and tracked more easily. Once you've done this, your selected email will automatically appear in your tasks or to-do list in both Outlook and Microsoft To Do. This seamless integration allows you to manage your tasks across different Microsoft apps without any hassle. Next, let's focus on finding your newly created task. Go over to the To-Do panel on the right side of your Outlook interface. This is a handy sidebar where you can view and manage all your tasks. In this panel, find the section labeled Tasks. You should see the flagged email sitting there, ready for your action. Click on the email in the To-Do panel. This will open a detailed view on the right side of the screen. It's here where you can set a reminder to ensure you follow up in a timely manner. Look for the Remind Me option and give it a click. You'll now have a choice of several reminder date options. You can set the reminder for today, tomorrow, next week, or even pick a date if you have a specific day in mind. Selecting one of these options will formally schedule a reminder for this task and help keep your follow-up actions organized and timely. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you'll never have to worry about forgetting to follow up on an important email again. With Outlook's robust task management features, you can easily stay organized and efficient. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials to help you master the tools at your disposal.